Well, good afternoon. Here we are at Cumberland Mine Railroad. We got a little problem here. Just happened with our #1 locomotive. He was dumping a trip and the coupler broke. Well, not the coupler, the knuckle. That's the knuckle. This piece here broke out of it. Now, kind of fits in there, as you can see in here. But this is a car knuckle for our cars, and it won't fit. It won't work because this is too wide here. See the difference in the width here? So that slides down in there. So there we go. Took one off the other end. We're going to put one in.
Now watch my fingers, Jim. Wait a minute.
Don't cuss because you're on video.
What?
I said don't cuss because you're on video. There you go.
Where's that metal? Where's that metal?
Fit right in there.
Yeah.
Joe, you're the man.
Am I looking for you?
You're the man, Joe.
Crazy.
There we go. Coupler fixed. Nice, nice.
We're gonna be on television?
Yes, sir.